Ethereum traders may be primed for a breakout this weekend as we test the resistance of $2,500 after recovering with whale money low. This means whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in soon, and with a ton of room to buy in, we could hit $2,705 soon. But there are some points we need to pay attention to that may actually keep the price down. And in this video, we're going to go over exactly what you need to look for and how to buy the next bottom to maximize your profit. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we have 221 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a brand new future forecast coaching video for you to check out, talking about how this could be the last few weeks to days to acquire crypto at these low prices. The parabolic phase is coming. Data suggests that weeks, not days, is how far away we are from multiple bullish linchpin moments. We're going to show you new charts that indicate October could be the final month to acquire Bitcoin and altcoins at these low prices. And we're going to show you 2 of the 15 charts we're using to time this cycle top and give you our predictions for the cycle top price and date. The decisions you make right now could create generational wealth for your family over the next 12 months. So you're going to want to sign up for our membership as soon as possible to access those future forecast videos with the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Jumping straight into the analysis, we're watching Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We are testing resistance at $2,500 right now. Trades in favor shows a 53% chance of a drop, about a 47% chance of a pump, very neutral signal as we test resistance. At the same time though, price versus whale money flow is low, right around a value of about 35, 33, somewhere in that range, which means whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. If over this weekend you see whale money tick up and move quickly to the upside, this indicates we are likely to break this resistance and move on up to $2,700. This would be very exciting to see, and from the current price, this would be a move up of nearly 10%. Once again though, we need to see whale money buying into the market. If over the weekend you see whale money sell out of the market, indicated by the green line dropping, we're likely to drop back to structure support. Now, if you see price versus whale money flow low and downwards momentum comes into the market, you see the trades in favor drop into the long trade zone, and we get a buy signal around this support, this would create what's called the bullish trifecta, and this is what we at Trade Confident have used to enter 221 wins and 0 losses in a row. The bullish trifecta is one of the most powerful tools in your pocket, and you need to be paying close attention to these 3 indicators to make sure you can catch it as it happens. The movements over this weekend truly rests on the shoulders of the price versus whale money flow. Again, if prices move up, or more specifically, the green line moves up, the price itself is likely to move up. If the green line drops, the price is likely to drop, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Members are using our indicators to earn insane profits, like this person down here making $1,000 from $150. This person here purchased the indicators, made $500, then $5,200, then $4,300. This person here earned 16% with us, and this person just transferred $3,000 into their bank account. Guys, it is insane what our members are able to accomplish with these indicators, and these results can be the reality for you once you have them loaded up on your chart. Members can access these indicators for up to $550 off with the included discount codes, on top of the money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our upcoming Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page where you can get 25% off your first month. After signing up, head to the indicator tab, scroll down. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for our brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.